Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's do your 100 on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So, why would you do your 100 on your ladder barrel? Well, honestly, it's really fun to see if you can do it. It challenges you in a different way, just like the winded chair version does. And the hump on this is actually going to change things. Plus, you never know if you're just going to be stuck on your ladder barrel, right? It's a mat. Let's use it, right? So if you're looking at this from the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck for the barrels, I put in a few mat exercises to hopefully help you see like, oh, I can use this as a mat. Now, you might have other ones you want to put on there, and that's fine. Give it a try. I wouldn't roll like a ball up here, but you can try some other things, right? So when you mount for this, it's a little difficult because you got to get yourself along the edge. So it requires a little bit of wiggle, the technical term, and then you want to get yourself on that apex, okay? So then you send your legs out to the high diagonal, which might be higher than you're used to, and you pump your arms for your 100. Now, of course, it'd be nice if we had my legs lower, but it's a little scary up here, right? I've got to get my longest round shape. That's actually more important than how low my legs are. And then I've got to work my whole center and pop my arms from my back. And after you do 10 cycles of breathing, you can bend in. You can go into the ab series, which I'll show you in another video. You can go test your mat 100 on the mat and go, wow, I really prefer it on the mat more than the barrel. If you have questions about this, go ahead and put in the comments below. I answer your questions on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you'd like feedback on your form, you want to be an OPC member, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. But give it a try. It's really fun. And thank you again. If you have that barrel stack, it means so much to me to hear how you're using it. Have an amazing day.